Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today's lesson is the final lesson about health. In today's lesson, we're going to practice writing everything that we've learned in this health unit. Let's go ahead and look at what the objectives for today are. The first objective says, I can write the simple present of have to write about health problems. The second objective says, I can write answers to questions about somebody else's health problems. We're going to practice writing some sentences right now. On your screen, you see 6 pictures, and you see the question, what's wrong? You're going to use the word have or has and one of the words below to make a sentence about what's wrong. The words below are the vocabulary words from our health unit. We have a cold, a headache, a broken leg, a stomachache, a fever, a sore throat. Remember to use the correct word have or has to make the sentence. Let's do number 1 together. We look at the picture for number 1 and we see headache. So, what's wrong? Answer, she has a headache. I'd like you to do numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Pause the video now to write your answers, then hit play, and you can hear the correct answers. Go ahead and pause your video now. All right, let's look at the correct answers. We already did number 1, what's wrong? She has a headache. Let's look at the rest of them. Number 2, what's wrong? I have a sore throat. Number 3, what's wrong? She has a fever. Number 4, what's wrong? He has a broken leg. Number 5, what's wrong? He has a cold. And number 6, what's wrong? You have a stomach ache. Nice job putting all we've learned together in writing. Let's look at our objectives to make sure we've learned what I hope you would have learned. Can you write in the simple present using the words have or has to talk about health problems? We had some practice with that. Can you write answers to questions about someone's health problems? We did that too. So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.